Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic FreeCAD 1.1 how to rotate an object. So you can go to Parametric Body, New Sketch, and I will choose the top plane. So you can draw rectangles for the example object and use Pad tools to convert into 3D. Now if you want to rotate this object, you can right click in this body and then choose transforms. After it, you can rotate in green axis, or you can use the rotation option here, green axis, like 45 degree, or another, you can set in this rotation 45 degree in a red axis. If you want to set in the blue axis, you can click in here, like I will set 45 degree. If you're done, you can click OK to apply. So to rotate again, you can right click in the body and then choose the transform tools. So we have the option here. Okay, that's it for basic FreeCAD 1.1, how to rotate an object.